Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I have an exciting news for my fellow Ghanaians. And the exciting news is, the NCA in collaboration with the Telcos has come up with a short code that will enable we the Ghanaians, to check the number of SIMs that has been linked to our Ghana card here. So with this short code, we're able to know the number of SIMs that has been linked to your Ghana card. So to know how this is done, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and also share this video to your loved ones, and also don't forget to watch this video to the end. So let's go and listen how this is done. Okay, so first of all, dial the short code *402#. This is the short code. Then select option 1, check SIMs. Option 1, check SIMs. And the next step is to input in your Ghana card. So you input in your Ghana card number, okay. Followed by the next step, that's your date of birth. So you have to input in your date of birth. So for the format, you input in the day first, followed by the month and the year. So after inputting in your date of birth, you receive a prompt, and with that an SMS will be sent. Realizing here, this is the SMS. An SMS will be sent containing the number that has been linked to your Ghana card. Okay.